Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today we will discuss about some daily uses sentences. So friends, ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଡେରି ନ କରି ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା। ଆଜିର ପ୍ରଥମ ବାକ୍ୟ ହେଉଛି ଜୋରରେ କୁହ। ସ୍ପିକ୍ ଲାଉଡଲି। ସ୍ପିକ୍ ଲାଉଡଲି। ମୁଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖୁଅଛି। I am learning English. I am learning English. ମୋ ସହିତ କଥା ହୁଅ। Talk to me. Talk to me. ମୋତେ ଗୋଟିଏ କଥା କୁହ। Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହ ସହମତ। I agree with you. I agree with you. ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ? What does it mean? What does it mean? ମୋତେ ସବୁ କୁହ। Tell me everything. Tell me everything. ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ସମୟ ଦିଅ। Give me some time. Give me some time. ଏହା ତୁମର ନୁହଁ। This is not yours. This is not yours. ମୋତେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଚଲାଇବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me drive. Let me drive. ପ୍ରଥମେ କିଏ ଆସିଲା? Who came first? Who came first? ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆସିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let him come. Let him come. ତୁମେ ଭଲ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛ। You are looking good. You are looking good. ଆମେ କିଛି ଜାଣିନାହୁଁ। We know nothing. We know nothing. ତୁମ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ କଥା ହୁଅ। Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends. ମୋତେ କିଛି ପଇସା ଦରକାର। I need some money. I need some money. ପଙ୍ଖା ଚଲେଇ ଦିଅ। Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. ପଙ୍ଖା ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦିଅ। Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. ମୁଁ କିଛି କଲି ନାହିଁ। I did not do anything. I did not do anything. ମୋ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ପଇସା ଅଛି। I have some money. I have some money. ତୁମକୁ ଆସିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। You will have to come. You will have to come. ମୁଁ ଭେଟିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। I want to meet. I want to meet. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲ? What did you see? What did you see? ମୋତେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲାଗୁଛି। I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ରାଗ? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? ମୋତେ ହଇରାଣ କର ନାହିଁ। Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. ତୁମେ ଅସୁସ୍ଥ କି? Are you sick? Are you sick? ମୋ ହାତ ଧର। Hold my hand. Hold my hand. ବାହାରେ ଖେଳ ନାହିଁ। Don't play outside. Don't play outside. ଏହାକୁ ଉଠାଅ। Pick it up. Pick it up. ମୋର କେଉଁଟା? Which one is mine? Which one is mine? କାହାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ? Who has to go? Who has to go? ମୁଁ ପୁରା ଦିନ ବାହାରେ ଥିଲି। I was out all the day. I was out all the day. ମୋତେ ଏହାକୁ ନେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। I have to take this. I have to take this. ତୁମେ ଆଖି ଖୋଲା ରଖ। Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛ? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? କ'ଣ ତୁମେ ମୁଁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରିବ? Can you help me? Can you help me? ମୁଁ ଘରେ ଅଛି। I am at home. I am at home. କିଛି କଥା ନୁହଁ। It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. ଚାଲ ଏହା କରିବା। Let's do it. Let's do it. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ମୋତେ ଜାଣ? Do you know me? Do you know me? କବାଟ ଖୋଲ ନାହିଁ। କବାଟ ଖୋଲ ନାହିଁ। Don't open the door. Don't open the door. ବିଳମ୍ବ କର ନାହିଁ। ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ବି ଲେଟ୍। ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ବି ଲେଟ୍। ମୋ ସହିତ ଆସ। କମ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ମି। କମ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ମି। ମୁଁ ଯାଉଅଛି। ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଗୋଇଂ। ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଗୋଇଂ। ଯାଅ ଏବଂ ଶୋଇଯାଅ। ଗୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସ୍ଲିପ୍। ଗୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସ୍ଲିପ୍। ବର୍ଷା ହେଉଅଛି। ଇଟ୍ସ ରେନିଂ। ଇଟ୍ସ ରେନିଂ। ମୋତେ ଏବେ ଯିବା ଉଚିତ। ଆଇ ସୁଡ଼୍ ଲିଭ୍ ନାଉ। ଆଇ ସୁଡ଼୍ ଲିଭ୍ ନାଉ। ଯଥାଶୀଘ୍ର ସମ୍ଭବ। ଏଜ୍ ସୁନ୍ ଏଜ୍ ପସିବୁଲ୍। ଏଜ୍ ସୁନ୍ ଏଜ୍ ପସିବୁଲ୍। ସୋ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍, ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି। ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ଲାଗିଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଲାଇକ୍, ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରି ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍।